39-year-old Green Bay man accused of causing a two-car crash that injured two young girls was in court today. Gustavus Dalton is facing charges for a Town Oneida crash on Monday night. Local 5's Robin Ogenye was in the courtroom today. She joins us live in studio with details. Robin?
Aaron, two of the three small girls involved in Monday night's crash remain hospitalized tonight. This is not Dalton's first traffic offense, and that makes this incident more egregious.
Under the circumstances, to say that Mr. Dalton is a danger to the public would be an understatement. And I believe a significant cash bail bond is warranted for public protection.
Gustavus Dalton's demeanor was grim. He faces nearly 40 years in prison. Court records indicate when deputies were called to the scene of the crash, the questioning officer could smell intoxicants coming from Dalton's body and observed that his eyes were glossy.
The defendant originally indicated that he had been drinking prior to driving, and then subsequently changed his story and indicated that he was actually driving around with his children in the car while he was consuming these drinks, having consumed two Hurricane Tall Boys.
After completing several field sobriety tests, law enforcement believed Dalton to be intoxicated and sent him to St. Elizabeth Hospital to be tested. Officers questioned the driver of the vehicle Dalton had hit. That driver told officers it appeared Dalton was going to stop at the stop sign at his intersection, but he did not. During the impact, the 4-year-old was ejected from Dalton's vehicle. The 6-year-old was found unresponsive in the back seat. The two were transported by helicopter to the hospital. Neither of them were in booster seats. A 3-year-old girl, who was in a booster, sustained minor injuries and was treated at the scene. The judge described Dalton's prior traffic record as abysmal and considered Dalton's warrant history and the serious nature of his current felony offenses when setting his $75,000 bond.
We have allegations of operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated, fourth offense in nature, with a minor child in the vehicle. Allegations of injury by intoxicated use of a vehicle with great bodily harm. And quite frankly, we have two little children who have their lives hanging in the balance.
Dalton's preliminary examination will be sometime within the next 10 days. Stay with Local 5 as we bring you the latest in this story. In the studio, Robin Ogenye, Local 5 News.